One of my clients, actually, lost, his son,
Oh, wow.
yeah, his adult son. And then at the same time, he's working for a major FANG company. And also, he was on a performance improvement plan. And so,
Oh,
like, he
okay.
reached out to me and just said, like, I need help. Like,
Yeah.
like one of these things, like, would be devastating enough on its own. But, like, clearly something is just, like, not working, right? And
Yep.
I need guidance. I need a thought partner. I need to, like, rethink, like, how I'm approaching things. And so it's kind of like a double threat of major life crises happening at the same time, right?
Yeah.
Even when, like, your personal life and like regular life is going well, but there are challenges at your job with your
Hmm.
manager and with your performance, and suddenly you're in this place where, like, you're not secure anymore. That's definitely going to be there. That's hard enough.
Right.
But also dealing with, family stuff, and also dealing with, a challenge that where, like, your employer is not, like, as supportive as they should be is
Right.
really tough.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so I've helped people, who've been in situations like that, just literally navigate, the situation, like, strategically, mentally, emotionally, and financially as well.
Yeah. I was going to ask if so, as a professional career coach that you are, I would assume people come to you for professional reasons, but I would assume some of the struggles that they're talking to you about manifest in their health and in their relationships and in their
Mhm.
non-work life.
The way that I really think about the work I do with clients is people usually come to me for some sort of practical reason, like to find a new role, to make more money, to get promoted, to level up in terms of their leadership, to help grow their startup,
Hmm.
across, like, all the different, like, areas, like, within the business.
Yeah.
But then what they really end up getting from me is they get my unconditional love, and I help them really see themselves at their highest potential.